What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to 2018. This is the first video of 2018. Obviously, I kind of fell off at the end of 2017, but I really just wanted to enjoy the holiday and kind of relax. So we're jumping back into it for the new year. So I just wanted to start the new year off with this kind of tag video. I'm just not feeling too inspired by makeup just yet for the new year. I need some new inspiration so I can get back into it. Sorry if I look crazy, but I just got off work and I'm trying to film this as fast as possible so that I can go work out. Excuse me. So yeah, this is the New Year, New Me tag. I searched on YouTube to see if anyone else had done this video or videos similar. There weren't too many people who did it, but it seemed like some of the ones that I had watched a little bit of were mostly talking about the previous year and like their memories and stuff from last year, and I don't want to do that, so I just sat down and wrote down some questions and created this little tag. So let's get started. All right. First question is, what are you most excited for in 2018? And I'm most excited for just a fresh start. I'm just ready. Like I really just kind of want to just like start over. Just wipe everything clean, forget everything from last year, and just start over. Question number 2. One resolution that failed last year that I will try again this year, definitely getting fit. I feel like I've been making that resolution for like at least the last 10 years, and it's just not one that I'm really great at keeping. So I'm gonna try again this year. I'm probably gonna be trying this forever. It's just one of those things, man. I feel like it's like everyone's resolution to like get in shape or get fit or whatever. So I'll be trying for that one again. One new resolution for 2018. A new resolution, I want to pay off a credit card, it's not necessarily a new resolution, but it's for a new credit card. So I consider it a new resolution because I want to pay off a specific credit card. We'll say that. Makeup trends that I hope to see in 2018. I don't know. I don't really necessarily follow any trends because I just kind of always do like the same makeup, like with warm tones and stuff. So I don't know. I hope that highlighting sticks around because it's one of my favorite things. Even if it's not like a big trend, I'm still going to do it because I love highlighting. Makeup trends that need to stay. Hold on. I'm going to go ahead and try to film the rest of this with him if he doesn't get too upset. So, we've got a guest. Okay, makeup trends that need to stay in 2017. So, like I said, I don't really follow too many trends, but there was like some weird stuff going on in 2017. Taz, stop doing that. Like the whole squiggly eyebrow thing and the lashes in the nose thing. I don't know, maybe, people were just trying to be creative. I don't really know. Of course, we still want people to be creative in 2018, but 2017 can have those. Hello. Let's see. Something you hope to accomplish in 2018. I would like to do the splits. That is something that I'm gonna be working on while I'm getting fit, is gonna be stretching, and so hopefully at some point in 2018 I'll be able to do the splits. I've never been able to do it, so yeah. What you looking at? Something new you want to learn in 2018. Something new that I want to learn is probably like some survival skills, because I feel like if something happened, I'm gonna be like SOL. I don't know any like survival skills like out in like nature or something. So maybe I'll try to learn some of those. Yeah, I think I'll try to learn some of those. Um, are you saving for anything special in 2018? Yes, I am. My husband and I would like to buy a house at some point, so that's what I'm gonna be saving for this year. Um, a fear you'd like to overcome in 2018? Definitely flying. I'm terrified of flying. I've never been on an airplane. I don't really want to get on an airplane, but if I ever want to experience certain things, I know that I'm going to have to do it. Even the thought of it and talking about it right now makes me nervous, and my heart is like beating so fast. But hopefully this year I'll be able to do that and get on an airplane. A place you'd like to visit in 2018. This kind of goes with the fear of flying. I really want to go to LA for my birthday, but I gotta get on a plane. The best thing from 2017 was, of course, this little dude right here. Giving birth to him this year has to be the highlight. I mean, giving birth to him last year has to be the highlight of 2017 for me. The worst thing from 2017, I can't name one thing because 2017 was such a crazy, like, horrific year. It was like everybody lost their minds in 2017. I don't know, like, there was so much bad news. It was ridiculous. The devil had a grip on us in 2017. What movies are you looking forward to in 2018? So I'm definitely excited for The Maze Runner, which comes out this month, January 26th. I cannot wait to go and see it. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. I feel like I've been waiting forever for The Maze Runner to come out. So, and this is Maze Runner, what's it called? The Death Cure, I think? Something like that. So, I'm really excited for that one. Black Panther, I'm excited for that. Ocean's 8 looks really, really good. Of course, 50 Shades. You know, I go see 50 Shades. What else? I think The Incredibles 2 is supposed to be coming out in 2018. And I think maybe Deadpool 2. I'm excited for both of those. So, yeah. New music. I'm always looking forward to Chris Brown, even though he just gave us, what, like 57 new songs with Heartbreak on a Full Moon and Heartbreak on a Full Moon Cuffing Season. If you have not listened to those, I don't know what you're doing. You need to go and listen, okay? But I'm always looking forward to new stuff from him. Of course, Beyonce, you know, gotta hear some Beyonce. Bruno Mars, he had a really good year in 2017, so it'll be interesting to see what he does this year. Cardi, you know, I'm looking forward to seeing what else Cardi gonna do, because she had a big year in 2017. So I'm sure she gonna be popping out some more hits for 2018. Let's see, something you hope to improve on this year in 2018. Definitely editing. I need to get better at editing. Hand lettering, that's something that I've kind of been trying to work on for maybe the last year. So I really would like to master that this year because I enjoy doing it. It's a lot of fun. So I want to do that, and probably dancing. I love to dance. Anybody who knows me knows this. I love to dance. Never taken a dance class in my life. I'm not a bad dancer, but I would like to be a better dancer. But I mean, when I dance, it's pure passion. I do it strictly for fun because, I mean, it's just so much fun. Like, that is something that I can really say is for pure enjoyment. I love dancing. So you know, why not perfect it? Why not get better at it? So hopefully I can take some dance classes this year. I'm trying to take me and Aaliyah Janelle class. You need to come on down to Dallas, girl, because I need to take your class. But if I make my trip to LA for my birthday, I'll go take her class in LA. I watch a lot of YouTube videos and I try to learn like all this choreography and stuff. So that's something that I definitely want to get better at this year. Bonus question. What are your hopes and expectations for 2017? More positivity. We need a lot more positivity, you know, and just not being so rude and so ugly and so negative to people. You know, love people. We need more love. Just love. What does he say in what's the movie? Semi-Pro? ELE. Everybody love everybody, okay? For myself personally, I'm definitely hoping for some career growth and career changes, as well as spiritual growth. I'm really, really hoping to further my walk this year. Because I just feel like it's almost non-existent, which, you know, I hate to say. So I really am gonna try to go deep this year. So yeah, that is the New Year, New Me tag. I hope my boobs are not sticking out. I feel like they are. Tristan, you're gonna cover mommy's boobs. He's starting to get grumpy. Anyways, that is the New Year, New Me tag. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Hey.